Hi, my lovely ladies. My name is Bren, and I am coming to you from wigstudio1.com. You can use the promo code BEAUTIFULYOU and receive 30% off most pieces. When Jon Renau is having their sale, you can use the promo code JR30 and receive 30% off of Jon Renau. We also have a Facebook group. It is called Wig and Topper Help for those with hair loss. And it is a group of ladies of about 4,700 that are all dealing with hair loss, whether it may be from heredity, medication making it thin, cancer, chemo, trichotillomania, whatever your case may be. We would love to have you there and just love and support you through all the issues that we deal with as women going through hair loss. I'd love for y'all to follow me on my Facebook and my YouTube and Instagram. It is Fake Hair Real Talk with Bren, and I give you tips and tricks and wig reviews. This is Cameron by Jon Renau in 12FS12, which is Malibu Blonde. She has a 100% hand-tied cap, which is nice and stretchy, and it feels amazing on a bald head. She has a mono top, which means you can part her any direction, and a welded lace front. Jon Renau suggests cutting that lace with pinking shears to help prevent from fraying. Velvet bendable ear tabs, Velcro adjusters, and when you find your sweet spot, leave it. That way you don't wear out that Velcro. Here is her nape. Now let's put her on. This color is my favorite blonde from Jon Renau. It's actually my favorite blonde, period. I've tried a lot of different blondes, and this one, they describe it as a light golden brown base at the nape and the root, which is your 12. And then highlights that are pale platinum on top and throughout. She is so pretty, and I think a lot of brunettes can pull off a blonde if they want to with this color. My head from here to here is 8 inches. My neck is 4, and my head is 21 inches around. So if that helps y'all kind of decide on where they might fall on you, I hope so. She has a few layers in here, see, right there? And so her bangs are 10. The crown is 12. The sides are 7.5. And the nape is 4.5. She is light. She weighs 3.3 ounces. And with her being hand-tied, she has a fantastic movement about her. Let me do a spin. But you could pull her back like that. Or you could pull her like that, and then you could even pull a little bit here. She's just such a cute, fun piece for summer. Or I would just spray her or use some Peace Out cream, but look how cute. And here is her lace front. And that 12 really helps with the dark knots that we've seen on some of the darker rooted pieces like shaded praline. This is one of my favorite pieces, and I know I'm going to wear her so much this summer. Let's go out and look at her in some natural light. Hi guys. Here she is. Look at the pretty brown in her. And then the gorgeous blondes. Stunning. Let me see if I can get out here in the sun a little bit. Might not help. Probably too bright. Hope that helps. Bye guys.